suspend for that.
Oo.
Sige. Sige, gawin natin ito. Sabi naman ni General Torre, he welcome that suggestion. So sabay kayo doon. Kung meron sila i-test, mag-test rin kayo.
Oo.
Tingnan yung result ng both parties.
Para
Mabilis.
imagine kasi kung if we will not do that, Your Honor, para matapos ito, gusto niya na i-clear lahat ng Kibuloy's followers there. Mga 2,000 itong mahal po ng hotel.
Hindi na kailangan yan. Para pag na-test nyo lahat ng grounds doon at wala na talaga makita, there's no reason for them to stay in there.
Permahan kami dito. Para lalaki sa lalaki. Baka naman kanina nga noon, sabi niya, Photoshop daw yung anong tawag dito, tunnel.
Si Senator Robin Hood Padilla na in the interest of justice, transparency, fairness, and everything. Kung mag-proton ili kayo, General Torre, we will allow people from Kingdom of Jesus Christ to rent also their own proton ili para magkakaroon kayo ng transparency doon sa area. Para pag sinabi niyong negative, titingnan rin nila kung negative rin sa kanilang equipment.
Yes, sir. All help, sir. All help to confirm or deny the existence of these facilities or hiding places of opponent is always welcome, sir.
Okay. Sana si Juan, kaya niyo magrenta niyan para sumabay kayo?
Kaya man, sir, pero pwede umalis muna yung mga police na dami-dami. Kung sino lang yung mag-conduct ng proton elic or whatever search, pwede yun lang talaga yung dapat. Tapos ayusin natin sa korte. May court order ba? May third, ano ba? Pwede ayusin na lang muna natin ito, sir.
Tinatanong ko lang kayo.
Yes, sir.
As far as
Opo.
concerned.
Yes, we can. Yun nga,
Pwede kayo
nag-usap na kami ng lawyer namin. Yes, we're willing, but yun.
Kaya ninyo? Para, so sabayan nyo sila. Kung mag-test sila ganun, meron din kayo sarili ninyo.
Your Honor, ganito po, pag ma-positive na wala talagang tunnel dyan, aalis sila kaagad.
By all means, ano gawin nila doon?
Kasi
Wala talagang...
we have really reliable information na yung proton elic findings nila negative, no? Wala talaga mga tunnels doon sa baba, no? And that's why I was really appalled by his declarations a while ago that he was as if treating the ground penetrating radar as if it was the proton elic findings. That's different equipments. Grabe ka high-tech po nila.
Okay, per suggestion of Senator Robin Hood Padilla, pwede ba kayo magrenta ng sarili niyong proton eli? At sabayan niyo sila?
Yes.
Kanyang ginagawang test? Opo, mabilis. Magsabing wala, negative.
Wala negative, alis sila.
Ano gusto nyo?
Walang reasonable belief.
Para mabilis.
Iba na ito kung wala talaga tunnel, yung proton elic, bakit pa kayo nandito?
Kaya nga.
Yes,
we expedite everything.
With the declaration of the yes, Your Honor, we're willing.
Magkano renta kaya niya?
90,000 ata daw.
So you're willing to spend for that?
Oo.
Sige, gawin natin ito. Sabi naman ni General Torre, he welcome that suggestion. So sabay kayo doon. Kung meron sila i-test, mag-test rin kayo. Tingnan yung result ng both parties.
Para
mabilis.
Imagine kasi kung if we will not do that, Your Honor, para matapos ito, gusto niya na i-clear lahat ng Kibuloy's followers there. Mga 2,000 itong mahal po ng hotel.
Hindi na kailangan yan. Kailangan. Kung saan nila gustong mag-test, sabayan ninyo. Sige, sabay kayo.
Okay.
Okay, do it. Sabay kayo.
Pag wala
Sige.
alis sila.
Wala kaming problema doon. Sige. Proton elic, Your Honor. Ganito. Para ganito. Very fair. May proton elic Kasi protonelic yung dinala nila eh. Oo. Kung saan sila mag-scan, pero actually, Your Honor, we were told, maski malapit lang siya, pwede mo na i-scan. Ganun siya ka-powerful. Makukuha na, maski ilang meters po.
Kaya nga, so,
Yes. Oo.
magrenta kayo. Pero mabilis.
Okay. Oo.
Para pag na-test nyo lahat ng grounds doon at wala na talaga makita, there's no reason for them to stay in
Oo.
there.
Permahan kami dito. Para lalaki sa lalaki, Ron. Baka naman kanina nga noon, sabi niya, Photoshop daw yung, anong tawag dito, tunnel. It turned out, totoong-totoo pala yung tunnel. O, sige, dito, ngayon. Permahan kami. Oo.
Wag mo na. 1 minute suspension. Resume.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, go ahead.
bago po tayo magwakas, hindi na ho kami magko-complain, makikiusap na lamang po. Kasi simula po nung unang araw na pinasok kami ng Philippine National Police, ang una ho nilang pinatay tubig. Hanggang ngayon ho, kung kailan nila kursunada kaming buksan ng tubig, saka lang nila ginagawa. I think that's not human, Mr. Chair.
Is that true? You are controlling the supply of water in the compound?
Sir, hindi nga namin alam, sir, kung nasaan ang kanilang mga controls. And we see a lot of tanks there, sir. Walang central control yan, sir. Sa tingin ko lang, sir, based from a point of view of an engineering student in Mapua and a DLC scholar at that, sir.
Klaruhin natin ito. You mean to say na pinuputol lang tubig?
Kung kailan lang ho nila gusto kaming bigyan ng tubig, saka na lang nila ipinapaandar papunta ho sa mga buildings.
Pwede controlling yung, saan ba yung controls niyan? Punta
Nandun-
yung tao nyo.
I think
Lagyan nyo na tao doon, mag-gurdya. Walang dapat makialam.
hindi nga ho nila pinapapasok, binabarikadahan, sir.
Saan?
Kaya nga ho kami nakikiusap, papunta ho doon sa JMC building. Kaya kami nakikiusap na lang. Kahit na yung kliyente namin ay may-ari ng compound, naninikluhod po kami.
Kinukontrol ba yung tubig talaga? For the record,
sir, no. It's not true. Hindi nga namin alam, sir, kung nasaan ang kanilang entrance niya eh. Hindi namin alam, sir. At saka, definitely, sir, with kind of facility, sir, you cannot control the water there ng as if isang valve. I don't think so, sir. There will be redundancies, there will be redundant supplies, controls, and tanks there, sir. Napaka-imposible nun, sir, na sinasabi ni Mr. Sonsa.
Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi ho natin makita yan. Sinasabi niyang hindi niya alam kung saan. Kasi po pinutol nila yung CCTV doon sa basement. Kasi kung hindi ho nila inalis yun, makikita natin kung sino yung nagkukontrol ng tubig.
Tol ninyo yung CCTV nila doon sa loob?
Again, allegations, sir. Again, allegations. Kasi, sir, kung gusto namin putulin ang kanilang mga CCTV, sir, matagal na. We can do it easily, sir. But we're not doing it.
Pero,
And why
Saan yun naputol na CCTV?
Your Honor,
Yes.
remember nung nandun tayo sa baba, pinakita ng mga media men na yung camera na putol na po. Yun po. Oo.
Correct, nakita ko yun.
Yes.
Sino nagputol nun?
Siyempre, sila ang nagahukay doon. Inadmit na niya. Imposible naman na ang GMC ang magputol nun. At saka sino makabenefit? Mga pulis, hindi na namin makikita kung ano yung hinuhukay nila.
So, I am directing you, Atty. Torion, to restore that CCTV. I-restore mo. And I am also directing you, PNP, huwag niyo pakialaman yung CCTV nila. Okay?
right at the very start, sir, we didn't. And in
Okay,
two times now,
okay
sir,
lang. I-deny mo man na kayo ang nagputol, sila naman, inaalis sila na kayo ang nagputol, let's forget about that issue. Basta may directive to them, restore niyo yung CCTV ninyo, at kayo, huwag na ninyo pakialaman yung CCTV nila.
If I may, Your Honor, ang problema
In the interest of public order.
Your Honor. Ang problema kasi bumalik na yung mga armado po dun at sa pagpunta ko pa nga lang dito, bumalik na armado, baka pagbalik namin doon, nakakordon na naman yung JMC basement po. Baka hindi na po kami makapasok ulit. Ang proposal ko, Your Honor, at least we seek for your protection. We will have this session held sine die, Your Honor, and definitely likewise, Your Honor. So you would have continuous power. Yes, Your Honor.
To give you the assurance, I am not terminating this investigation. I am only suspending it tonight. It will be suspended and it will continue. Okay? So time now, marami pa sa ating mga resource person ay uuwi ng Manila, sasakay ng 10 o'clock flight. It's already 9:22. Baka hindi sila makahabol sa airport. So from here, I just would like to remind both parties. I would like to appeal in your senses for peace, sobriety, and cooperation. Anong cooperation na gusto kong makita? Cooperation to achieve peace and sobriety. Yan lang gusto ko sana. And respect the human rights of everyone. Members of the KOJC and members of the police force. Respetuhin natin. Okay? Ha? Okay. Of the PNP. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you. From here, Senator Bungo, you have the floor.
I support the call of the committee chairman, Senator Bato de la Rosa. We need to de-escalate the situation. Kawawa yung estudyante, kawawa rin yung mga pulis. I support you, Mr. Chairman. At nandito lang po ang komite para patuloy sa pagdinig na ito kung kakailanganin po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Your Honor. From here, the hearing is hereby suspended.